All right, so now how to check for unauthorized use and see if you can get paid. So two of the sites that we know the most about are CopyTrack and Pixie, and they are both sites that'll help you find out if people are using your website, if they're using your image, and then they'll go after it trying to get some money. We've had great success with CopyTrack. We haven't really used Pixie, but we do hear from other people that don't like CopyTrack that Pixie is their go-to. One disclaimer that I will say, if you are aware that CopyTrack has had a bad reputation, what we're aware of is that CopyTrack has allowed stock photographers who upload to other websites try to go after your use for that. So it becomes frustrating for people like us in the blogging industry that, maybe we were downloading things from Envato or Shutterstock or whatever, and we're using it on our website, and then they sit there and they removed it from Shutterstock for that day or whatever. They would go to CopyTrack and say, hey, this person's using this image. They downloaded it legally, and they were still able to go after them. So it costs people a lot of money, and obviously they're really frustrated about it. We've never had that experience. We do keep receipts of all of our stuff, like in Envato, it shows you where the license is, and you can name filing and how you used it. We keep a folder that shows when we downloaded it and where we downloaded it from. That is unfortunate. We've had many case examples over the years where, we've gotten $3,500 payout, $900 payout, $150 payout, all these different payouts. It's free, no money comes out of your pocket. We don't deal with anything. We just submit it. We just got notified today that we're getting a $3,500 payout. And then with the fees, I think it'll be $1,200. But that's $1,200 that we didn't have.